Common push-up mistakes. Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss some common push-up mistakes and how to avoid them to improve your workout and achieve the desired results. 1. Doing push-ups on your knees. This is a terrible idea because it prevents you from using your full range of motion and can lead to strain and injury. A proper push-up should be done on your feet, with your knees directly under your hips. 2. Widening the stance. When performing a push-up, it's crucial to maintain a close grip on the bar and keep your shoulders back and down. Widening your stance can decrease the effectiveness of your push-up and can lead to injury. 3. Trying to do too many reps. Push-ups are best done in a controlled manner, and aiming for too many reps can be counterproductive. The goal is to achieve a proper form, maintain your core tightness, and push until you can no longer continue. 4. Lifting too much weight. Excessive weight can lead to strain and injury. Make sure to start with a manageable amount of weight and gradually increase as you become stronger and more comfortable with the exercise. 5. Not engaging your core. A crucial aspect of a push-up is engaging your core to maintain proper form and prevent injury. Make sure to consciously engage your core and keep it tight throughout the movement. In conclusion, to avoid common push-up mistakes and improve your workout, remember to focus on proper form. Start with a manageable weight and gradually increase as you become stronger. Proper form will ensure that you maximize the benefits of the exercise while minimizing the risk of injury. Happy push-upping!